we were sent this automatic screwdriver, so let's take a look at it. When you first open the package, you're going to find the instructions, which are very, very easy to read and very thorough. The next thing you're going to look at is the tool itself. When you first open it up, you're going to see an assortment of bits and the screwdriver itself. These bits are magnetized into the case, so when it's closed, there's no risk of them falling out. Or even if you open it up the wrong way, they'll stay in there. The next thing we come to is the actual screwdriver. So this has 4 angles. Which is very nice, a very bright LED screen. It's got 2 torque modes, low and high. We're on high, low. It also has reverse and forward. Another nice thing about this is you can see the battery right here. The other nice thing about this screwdriver is the torque meter. So you can see and or set what torque you want to put down in Newton meters. Moving to the bit, when you put the bit in, it locks in. And then you push up on the housing to get it out, which is really nice. And you don't have to worry about your bits falling out. The LED on the front is very nice. And then you have adjustments on the top of the screwdriver as well for a torque. The last thing that's a nice feature is it's rechargeable, and it recharges with a USB-C adapter that is included in the package, and it fits very nicely in this little pocket right here in the case. Overall, I give this product a 2 thumbs up. Love how nice it is, how everything fits in the case, how nice the case is, and just gonna be an awesome tool in the arsenal for the house.